How to log into my Milestone card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into my Milestone credit card or basically card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step that you'll need to take is simply search for login to my milestonecard.com. And after you search for this, you'll find Milestone's website. You can head over to Milestone's Mastercard homepage. And after you open that website up, here you will see on the right hand side the login section. Type in your username and then finally your password. After you type that in, tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. If you haven't registered your account yet, you also have the option for that, and you also have the option to reset your username or password. But yeah, basically to log in, type in your username and password and then tap on login and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.